Oh, friend, how embarrassing. Bad enough to have to be towed in, but in the rain. Oh, my goodness.
He's got sails. It should be safe.
Yeah, well, looks like a single-hander maybe. Or maybe the MIMSOP's down below. Okay. Well, there before the grace of God, you know. I've been towed in on the lake, though. I haven't ever been towed in on the salt water. Okay, well,
Ooh, that looks good to
that
me.
looks good as well.
That's Francie's leftover.
Yeah,
Francie's leftover lunch.
more colorful than the skipjack stroganoff, but they wouldn't let me use any real ingredients because they'd get wasted.
Oh, that's not true. You use plenty of real stuff.
He's got to add on.
See you later. It tastes good.